Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
During the COVID situation, lockdown, lots of people were stranded and migrants especially. Government had asked local bodies to provide them cooked food and all some basic necessities. And accordingly, even the Margao Municipal Council was sanctioned an amount of 8 lakhs. And on 23rd of April, the chairperson put up a note saying that 25 councillors of Margao Municipal Council have procured dry ration for the purpose of cooking meals and distributed the same in their respective wards, and had asked for the payment. As far as Margao is concerned, we have hardly seen any cooking being done by any of the councillors. So that is the reason we appeal to the citizens of Margao to check out and identify if there were councillors involved in such cooking activity and providing meals. We had filed a RTI application, but we were not provided with the information. On the contrary, on the 6th of June, we received a letter saying that the file is not traceable. There was a shelter at Indoor Stadium in Naveli. There, the people, the authorities manning this shelter, were seeking cooperation from the NGOs and the social organizations. The question now comes is that where this 8 lakhs has gone. Even though some councillors were seen distributing groceries, which is not part of this scheme actually, at the time of distribution, they have very clearly stated to the beneficiaries that these groceries have been sent by the respective MLAs. We have also asked for information with respect to the list of beneficiaries